Hello friends, now I am going to start fourth chapter communication, e-commerce and outsourcing. So when the chapter starts, my explanation is about preface. In the present day, all works are not done by a single person, right? We are not living in a situation that one shop is there, that he is doing the kirana business, one single person with his packing, selling, taking amount, all this. Now the situation has been changed. Everything is done through business on internet platform, which is called e-commerce. And in discussion of communication, there are so many ways of communication. So generally, when I start to discuss this chapter, I want to discuss some basic essential definitions. First, I want to discuss definition of communication. Communication means exchange of thoughts, exchange of opinions, exchange of information through speech, writings, or any other signs. SIGNS, signs. So, communication is not always required to speak. I speak and other listen is not required every moment, but is done through easy manner of exchanging talks, writings, letters in so many ways. But the basic requirement of communication is to exchange information regarding knowledge, concepts, mutual understandings, own emotions, expression of emotion, expression of feelings, expression of opinions is being done through communication. So, the senders, receivers, both are connecting with each other by way of communication. Generally, it is done. Here, we have to understand the meaning of communication in different Latin words. Communis and communicare. It means to share common. To share common. Communicare means to share common. Generally, it is seen that exchange of words is our common understanding for communication. But nowadays, the situation has been changed and the concept of the communication has been wider, which I have stated just before. So, usually it is clearly understood that communication is two-way process. On one side is information giver and information receiver. So sending information and receiving information is the process of communication. Collect information and send information, in other words I could say. So when a receiver is receiving the information, he will not directly understood, but he will interpret the words the information which has comes to him. He will understand it, he will interpret it, he will try to respond as per his own interpretation has been done. So in that way, usually it is said that communication is process of exchange of information among people regarding knowledge, concept, understanding, emotions, feelings and opinions. But also sometimes communication is done for expressing our own thoughts and opinion with more than two people or a group of people. So it is usually done with the group of people. It will be done in the verbal communication, means by speaking it will be done. Here the written information will be expressed in the oral form. Proper selection of words is required for expressing the information. The sentence will be used in proper manner. So the important information could be expressed by verbal communication is generally done and it is accepted by everyone. So the specific meaning in extracted form of sentence. Specific meaning in extracted form means shape of sentence generally. So all time to describe, to express in detail is not required. Then how the communication is required to do? It must be done in detail, as short as sweet, simple and understandable language or words. So the message could reach to the other person in short and easy manner. Whomever we want to communicate, the passing of information should be done with appropriate words, makes the communication effective. That everybody has to understand. So if it is done in a writing manner, it is called non-verbal communication. So here in my explanation, the two type of communication has come to you: verbal communication and non-verbal communication. In this non-verbal communication, sometimes we use the physical expression, we use the gestures, we use the poses, we use expression by eyes, in symbolic way, in music, in songs, by showing dance the expression our message could reach. Means here you have to understand that expression by words is a verbal, mostly by speaking or sometimes by writing, and by saying through signs, saying through expression, saying through expression of face and eyes, physical postures, gestures, everything included in the non-verbal communication. Is that clear, my friends? So today I have discussed with you concept, definition, meaning, explanation and types of communication. And lastly, I use my single line. Communication means the process of including our thoughts to other's mind. Is that clear, my friends? I have discussed with you detail about communication today. Okay.